Bill Gates reads 50 books every single year. That's roughly one every 7 days. Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. And here's the number that should terrify you. The average Indian reads less than one book per year, while the average Indian billionaire reads over 40. That gap in reading is literally a gap of 500 crore rupees in lifetime wealth. Tonight, we fix that. Bill Bryson wrote A Short History of Nearly Everything in 2003. It sold over 2 million copies and won the Aventis Prize. But here's what nobody tells you. Elon Musk says books like this one taught him that every industry is just physics waiting to be disrupted. He used that exact thinking to build Tesla worth 1 crore 40 lakhs crore rupees today. This book is chapter 1 of your rewiring. Richard Dawkins published The Selfish Gene in 1976, and it quietly became one of the most dangerous books ever written for mediocrity. Why? Because it proves that survival is coded into your DNA. Jeff Bezos read it and understood one brutal truth: people are wired to be lazy and fearful by design. He built Amazon worth 1 crore 68 lakhs crore rupees by designing systems that defeated that exact human weakness. Yuval Noah Harari's Sapiens, published in 2011, has now sold over 25 million copies worldwide and been translated into 65 languages. But the chapter Indian readers must read is chapter 8, the one about imagined orders. It reveals why companies like Zomato, worth 65,000 crore rupees today, aren't really selling food. They're selling a story. And whoever controls the story controls the money. Always. David Deutsch wrote The Fabric of Reality in 1997, a book so profound that it influenced the entire architecture of quantum computing. And quantum computing, according to McKinsey, will unlock 4 crore rupees in global economic value by 2035. India's Infosys and TCS are already investing billions in this. The founders who understand quantum principles now will be the Tatas of 2040. This book is your head start. Carl Sagan's Cosmos, first published in 1980, became the best-selling science book in the English language for years. But the real story is this: Neil deGrasse Tyson says reading Cosmos at age 17 made him feel, for the first time, that the universe wasn't against him, it was for him. That single mindset shift is worth more than any MBA from IIM Ahmedabad costing 28 lakhs rupees in fees. Here's the connection nobody talks about. These 5 books, physics, biology, history, quantum theory, and cosmology, all point to one financial truth: the people who understand how the universe actually works will always spot opportunities that others call impossible. Paytm was impossible. Flipkart was impossible. CRED was impossible. Today those 3 companies are worth a combined 1,20,000 crore rupees. Impossible is just a reading deficit. India produces 1.5 million engineers every year, but only 3% ever become financially free. The brutal truth is that technical skills get you a 12 lakh rupees salary. But thinking skills, the kind these 5 books build, get you a 12 crore rupees company. Ratan Tata, Narayana Murthy, and Azim Premji didn't just work harder. They saw the universe differently. These books are how they learned to see it. So here's your action plan starting tonight. Buy or download at least one of these 5 books this week. Sapiens costs just 399 rupees on Amazon and could be worth 10 crore rupees in thinking shifts over your lifetime. Commit to 20 pages per day. That's less time than one Instagram reel session. The universe rewards those who understand it. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every week.